At Christmas time, we want Aussie families to create special memories. Christmas is all about spending time with your family, enjoying great food and good times. We partner with dedicated farmers, growers, chefs and product developers so you can have a festive season that's full of flavour.
Cherries have become the Christmas fruit. I think this season's shaping up great for cherries. We have good quality fruit available at Christmas. At Cherry Hill, we put a lot of work and dedication into the quality. The best cherries should be shiny, big, plump and firm. When you eat it, you're going to want to go back and have some more.
The passion and experience our farmers and growers have shines through to the produce on your table.
I love delivering great mangoes for consumers. My farms are located across Northern Australia. We start picking the end of September, and because we've got 3 different regions, we actually continue to pick until mid-March. My Italian grandmother used to do some traditional recipes, and one was a dessert called zuppa in glace. It's a little bit like a trifle. The variation I've done is add mango into each layer on top of the sponge. With that luscious mango, people rave about it.
Our Coles brand product developers worked hard to create products that will be the heroes of your Christmas table.
Our main consideration when developing a product is our customer. We've done all the work. We've created these beautiful products for you to enjoy, like the cracked-in ham roast, so you can relax at Christmas.
Delicious. Food is at the heart of Australian Christmas celebrations, which is why we work with our partners to make sure it's food you can be proud to serve.
When Aussies buy banana prawns at Coles, they can expect one of the best prawns in quality, texture, taste. A wild-caught banana prawn means prawns caught wild at sea. We are the biggest prawn fishery in Australia to be certified under Marine Stewardship Council guidelines. It's a lot of work to get these prawns from boat to plate.
So now it's over to you to use our fresh produce and Coles brand products to make your Christmas table one to remember. Merry Christmas, everyone.